Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 F-150 FX4 in Oxford White. With a black leather interior and seating for 5, this 4-door pickup has a 5.5-foot box and a 5-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can also power fold. Driver also enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. There's also memory settings for 2 separate drivers. Off to the side there you have your lighting controls and your dash lights. You also have power pedals, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. I'm just going to start up the truck for you. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. You also have a menu you can toggle through. Gauge mode, trip A and B, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there you have hill descent and traction control. Below that is your 4-quadrant LED touchscreen media display center. In the top right you have navigation, in the top left is trying to connect to my phone. In the bottom right you have dual climate control with heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. And in the bottom left you have entertainment with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth, and AV line in. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Below that you have your CD player as well as your hazard lights, volume and tuner located just there. Dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Little storage bin below that, and off to the side there you have your 4x4 with locking differential and your Pro Trailer backup. Automatic select shifter, and on the side there you have tow haul. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Press it again and off it goes. Couple of cup holders, and your armrest is lockable, and there's a little clip just there. You can open that up. There's that removable bin, USB, SD, AV line in, and a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side there you have another 12-volt outlet as well as some storage. Glove compartment just there. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglasses holder, universal garage door opener, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. It's a little wet out today, so I won't open it up. 18-inch wheels, running boards, body colored door handles, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, power sliding rear window, hard tonneau cover. That body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that Ford badge is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the handle and pull. You'll notice the inside's nicely lined, and there's also tie downs in all 4 corners. There's a tailgate step to make it easier to get in, and your key fob has remote start. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 in a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply put your hand underneath the seat and lift up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to bring that seat back down in its original position, simply pull on the clip and the seat will fall back down in its original position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. On the floor, all-weather mats. Behind the front seats, slim pockets. In the center there are a couple of cup holders, vents, a 110-volt and a 12-volt. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. Power sliding rear window, and up above, lighting and hooks. Body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass, heated and power folding side view mirrors, front tow hooks, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.